Alright, this is just a generic video to explain how to use EA's expert advisors or robots. So you will basically receive from me two files, a ex4 file and then also a preset file. So what you always will do is you take those files and you have to copy them to a specific place. File, open data folder, let's bring that across, MQL4. So in your experts tabs, that's where you always paste your ex4 files, which is your actual EA file, your robot file, which will take the trades. You go back to MQL4, presets. So in there you copy the preset, say for FTSE expiry or double extreme gap, or whatever it may be, the set file that I sent you. So then you always have to close that and close your platform, and then just reopen your platform. And then your expert advisors should be appearing there. So let's say, for example, we do FTSE expiry, we drag it on. What you have to do is you have to obviously open a chart. So FTSE chart, you can go File, New Chart, Indices. There you can see all your indexes. If it doesn't show up, always go in your Market Watch, right click, Show All, to make sure that it shows everything. So let's, for example, say we want to do the FTSE expiry. So we have a 5-minute chart there open for the FTSE, and we just drag our EA across onto our chart. So just some things to note is always make sure that allow live trading has been ticked. And yeah, so then your inputs, just make this a bit bigger. So you load, let's say for example, as FTSE expiry. And then yeah, you can always just double check everything, which for each EA I'll send out a video anyway, so you can just make sure that your settings agree to what what you expect as you understand how the EA works. So then once you hit OK, so something you have to always note is you have to have auto trading enabled, otherwise the EA won't work. And see that little face in the top right corner there? That needs to be a smiley face. If it's a sad face, there you can see it goes to sad face, then the EA won't work. And then something very important to note is magic numbers. So each EA has a unique magic number. So if I just bring up the input box there, see that magic number there? Never ever have two separate EAs running on the same chart with the same magic number. So what I'm saying is we've got a FTSE expiry with that magic number. I can't then have another FTSE with another EA, say double extreme gap, that has the same magic number there, because that is basically what the EA uses to identify which how to manage the trade, which settings to use per chart. So just always make sure that you use a unique magic number per index per EA, so that they don't clash, because otherwise I've in the past had the same magic numbers for different EAs on the same index, and then have had some funny results because they don't know which EA to follow, basically which rules to follow. So that's basically in a nutshell. As long as you've got a smiley face there, auto trading is there, and your magic number, and then I'll explain the rules for each EA as we go through. Thanks.